guys! For today, gumawa ko ng beef burger. Ito na guys, ang ating beef burger. It is my own version. How to make beef burger. So delicious guys! Ayan, so yummy! It's so yummy on my tummy!